Karen Seolin for CityLifeTV.ca, and today we're here at 77 Pink Tartan's flagship store to speak with Kimberly Newport-Mimran. Where did the name Pink Tartan come from?
Well, Pink Tartan I originally had a menswear background, so when I was thinking of doing a line, I wasn't sure if it was going to be men's or women's, and so I coined the name with my husband. We called everything that we liked that would fit into the concept Tartan. And then when I had a baby girl, I went back to work. I decided, after a year, I need to get back in the workforce. And everything was pink. And I always say to Jacqueline, it was because pink was my favorite color. And I had a girl. I decided to do a women's wear line.
We're here to talk about your fall-winter collection that you just showcased at LG Fashion Week. Just tell us a little bit about the collection.
Well, the concept was couturitarian, which, I always like to have a theme that ties the concept together. And it was a mix of utility wear and couture, and how I could take soft and hard pieces and kind of meld them together in an exciting way.
And you used a lot of camouflage jacquard and parachute silks. Where do you find your fabrics?
Well, I develop a lot of our fabrics, and I source a lot. And actually, the parachute silk was a vintage parachute that they used in World War II. So it's amazing to incorporate fabrics, and I did it in an evening gown. So it's again that juxtaposition of taking something so simple and making it into an evening gown. And the camouflage fabric I liked because it was a very sophisticated looking camouflage.
The crisp cotton shirt has always been a staple for Pink Tartan. How have you redesigned it this season?
I love the classic shirt. It's always in the collection. We call it the Newport shirt because it's always in the collection. It's all about collars. It's all about sort of detailing. So the details change, but really the fundamental of having a great white shirt should be in everybody's wardrobe. So we have it in every single collection we do.
And how have you redefined it this season?
Well, this season I used a different shaped collar because it was much more about that sort of Alexa Chung rounded collar that I liked. And it's all about, sometimes we put a ruffle on it, but this time it was very clean.
And also, 77, it's your flagship store. Why the choice to sell items that aren't Pink Tartan?
Well, I wanted to create an experience in the store, and I took a space that's not the typical space. I took a heritage building and I modernized a building that was built in 1867 and used very contemporary designers to work on it with me. And I think it's really about coming in and shopping, creating a shopping experience as opposed to just coming in to look at a selection of clothes. So it's about things I love that I find throughout my travels or things that inspire me that I put into the store.
And how does this fit the concept, the lifestyle concept behind Pink Tartan?
Well, it's edited by myself. So, when I go and find things I like, it fits into sort of this lifestyle. And it's all about the decor, the flowers, the way we dress the mannequins, the accessories we choose, and it's just putting a whole idea together. It's about the touch, the sight, the sound, the experience, the flavors, the best teas in the world. And I always think it's nice to come into a store and be pleasantly surprised if there's just something you didn't expect in it.
Pink Tartan continues to blend high fashion with function this season with garments with a combative edge. I'm Karen Seolin, and that's CityLifeTV.ca.